Harambe was a gorilla who was 17 years young. He was born and raised in Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens. Harambe was living happily with his comrades. He was a young boy who loved eating fruit and insects. He was very happy at the zoo and had a clean record of no violence. He was always calm and his teachers said he was a straight-A student. He loved school but was discriminated by his peers for his grey back. He graduated from Gorilla University with 3 diplomas. He then got a job at Gorilla Hospital and worked hard every single day. He saved 867 gorillas while being head doctor but couldn't quite save his mangled body from its inevitable demise. His dad was a WW2 veteran and was devastated when he heard the bad news about Harambe. New York Times had a one-to-one interview. He said that he is going to sue the zoo and every idiot inside of it. The case is currently under review. A stupid 3-year-old boy fell into his cage. Parents' fault. They should be executed. We later found out that the boy had mental issues and was deranged. Harambe was affectionately hugging the young boy and trying to escort him to the exit, but he resisted. The zookeeper sprinted into the cage and beheaded Harambe with a pitchfork and then shot his body with a magnum. They then got a chopper, attached a minigun to the top and smoked that shit up. Harambe's body was left horribly mutilated and abused. The zookeepers were out of order and were later found out for sexual assault and violence to the gorilla. They are now serving 17 years in prison. Case closed. You mofos. Harambe was a good citizen of the gorilla world and was remembered for his kindness and his funny side. He was a public figure and often wrote articles about the world. He was a world's renowned doctor who saved lives every day. We will always remember the young, brilliant gorilla that was brutally murdered by a zookeeper. He was wrongly accused of assault and is now dead. This is the end of humanity. Harambe is no longer in the tomb, leading to speculation into whether Harambe has risen from the dead to thank his worshippers and bless them with his monkey powers. Harambe left behind a loving wife and 3 children. He was a heavy follower of the Republican movement and was Donald Trump's right-hand gorilla. Harambe will always be remembered. #dicks out for Harambe Bros is a red Harambe is in heaven. Everybody knows Clinton did 911.